Hey there, glad you're here. I'm Roselle with Farmer Brown Insurance. And if you manage a condo association, you know it's not just about meetings and maintenance. You're responsible for shared property, common areas, and the safety of everyone who lives there. That's why Condo Association Insurance is so important. It's designed specifically to protect associations from the unique risks that come with managing multi-unit property. Here's what this type of coverage usually includes. Property coverage, protecting common areas like roofs, hallways, pools, elevators, and clubhouses. General liability. It covers injuries or property damage involving residents, guests, or vendors in shared spaces. Directors and officers liability, or D&O. It protects board members from claims related to decisions they make on behalf of the association. Crime or fidelity coverage. It helps protect association funds against theft or fraud. Equipment breakdown. It covers sudden failures of critical systems such as elevators or HVAC. Now, without the right coverage, a single accident, lawsuit, or maintenance issue could impact the association's finances and lead to special assessments or disputes with owners. Now, costs vary based on the amount of units there are, amenities, locations, and claims history, but the right insurance helps protect the association's budget and gives residents peace of mind. At Farmer Brown Insurance, we understand condo associations. We tailor coverage to match your property, your board, and how your community operates. Now, if this helps clarify things, please give the video a like, subscribe for more property insurance insight, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on what's next. Are you ready to protect your association? Visit farmerbrown.com or call us at the number on your screen to get started. Farmer Brown Insurance, protecting communities, supporting responsible boards. Thanks for spending a minute with me. I'll see you in the next one.